Search engine optimization. Let's talk about the fundamentals. Okay, what's the most important thing that matters with SEO? It's backlinks, high quality backlinks. Well, what's that? A backlink is just a hyperlink from one website to your website. And the higher authority it is, so for example, the New York Times, been around a long time, they produce really great content, it's high quality, a lot of other people link to them. That is worth more than the website that you set up tomorrow, brand new. So the goal is to get as many high quality backlinks as possible. That's the first part, I'll come back to it. The second part is, on your website, it needs to be organized and structured clearly, right? So when someone links to it, it's easily understood. Just like a human, so too a machine. Okay, that's number two. Let's get back to high quality backlinks. So how do you get those? Well, there's two ways. You can do something horrible to make the news and they'll talk about you. That's not something we aspire to here. The other way is to do something remarkable. And what's remarkable? Well, you do something that people remark upon. And typically that requires you to do something amazing, to zig when everybody else is zagging, and create something that blows people's minds, blows their hair back. So, you don't have to go out and search of it. What you really need to do is figure out what you're creating that people will remark upon. And make sure it's positive, make sure it helps people, and good things will happen. So that's SEO 101 on this glorious Wednesday. I don't know, I forgot what day it is. Have a great one. Bye.